Yan, Manong. Yan. Naka-record na yan.
Alright.
Just say hi.
Saan ba ang
Yeah, okay na
shoot?
yan.
Yan na?
It's shooting
Alright.
now.
Okay, it's shooting right now. There you go.
Fisherman's Wharf.
Alright, they're now going to the Fisherman's Wharf. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
San Francisco. Bye-bye.
Oh, he's eating candy. Sige ba?
Yeah.
Sige ba? Ta? Takuhan?
Yeah.
Ano yan?
Yeah. Okay ba, babe?
Is it fun?
Enjoying yourself?
It's fun, huh?
Fun.
It's fun, Ella? Is it fun? Yeah? So yes? Oh, you like this? Wow! Oh, there's Louis Vuitton. Oh, natuturo na yun ini. O, pag tuturo yan ini. Hindi niya kituturo. Ah, natuturo na nini, oh. Ayan pa, yung Bulgari pa, oh. Salina ako ka ng Frankie.
Salida kang makalinis. Salida kang three-wheeler. Sa kanya, no? Ayan, three-wheeler. Opening wheeler na kay San Francisco yun.
Kaya ka, wala ka sa sakyan. Hindi ka nakakain.
Yay!
It's fun, Bella.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's windy. Are you cold? You want a jacket? Okay. Are you sure? Wanna go shopping? See the sail? I don't know if you can still see. It's dark already.
Ang ganda ng video na to.
Ah. Whoa! There's Disney! See? Disney. D-I-S-N-E-Y. That's Disney. Read it. Disney. D-I-S-N-E-Y. Oh, what's that? Apple iPad. Your iPad, huh? A lot of people there. Si Elaine, nakuha niya sa
Man, I used to work here 7 years ago. Used to be a computer expert in this round of town.
Ay, ko narinig to kay Lola. Okay, Ron.
Well, I was in real estate. I used to work here.
What's up, bro?
A lot of people, Bella. People.
Ba't nandito ang camera?
Ha?
Oh, okay. It's like a park. Bella, say hi.
You wait. Push your other hand. Wait. Hi. Wow, look at that. Good balance, ha? Okay. Oh, ang lakas ng gulong, no? Courier yan. Naghahatid ng mga letter.
Yung ano nga,
Mga documents.
yung sa owners, yung bike niya, 10,000 lang. Dala niya lang sa
Sabi siya, nagbabalance siya.
kaya dala-dala na yung